नमस्कार दोस्तों। Today is 3rd August 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market where on daily basis on this specific video I disclose my trade plan for Nifty for the today's trading session, review my yesterday's trade and share my learning in MTM at end of the video. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas. Today is going to be another tricky day, but before we get into that, let's have a look into global market. So when we look into S&P 500, S&P 500 is showing some sign of weakness. So after yesterday's week, another red bar has happened. So this is somewhere a confirmation that corona cases are showing some kind of impact on the market, and S&P 500 has closed below 8 bar moving average. So definitely this is not a good sign. US government 10 bond yield is still going further down, so 1.18 etc. So this is actually a good sign. And the dollar index is still hovering around 92 and consolidating between 91, 91.78 and 93. And again today it has started going up. So dollar index is something which is keeping our market choppy. So overall, not a good global cues. And when we look into our market, we see that Bank Nifty yesterday has formed a doji and has moved between monthly pivot and weekly pivot, which is at 34,967 and 34,663. But good news is that Motabai has taken a support on my black and blue magical line and has now shown a good up move but still within the resistance zone and has closed just below 2073, which is monthly H3. So now we need to see where Motabai is opening tomorrow. If opening today, if Motabai opens above 2072, then this resistance zone will start acting like a support, and that could be a good news for a bull. So with that in background, let's have a look into Lalaji. So now when we look into Lalaji on weekly basis is at the top of the consolidation zone, which is at 15,900, and 8 bar moving average now has touched almost 15,800, which will be a good support for market. So on weekly basis, definitely market is in uptrend. On daily chart, market is in uptrend. So yesterday we had a very good gap up opening, and now the Lalaji is above 20 and above 8 bar moving average, and has formed a wick, which is on bullish side. So this is definitely a good scenario, and it is in uptrend, but definitely at one side of the consolidation, which is at 15,900, and now the market will have a support at 15,800 and 15,750, and if 15,750 is broken, then 15,640, and if 15,640 is gone, then a very good support at 15,511. And on upper side, Lalaji will now have a resistance exactly where it is now, which is at 15,893. If 15,893 is broken, then the next resistance is at 15,972, and if 15,972 is gone, then the next resistance will be at magical number, which is at 16,010. But on daily chart, market is in uptrend. Now when we look into 15-minute chart, we see that Lalaji yesterday has closed above all the moving average. So overnight the scenario has changed, and the market has turned bullish, but still at the top of the consolidation zone, which is at 15,893. Now let's try to confirm this view with market profile. So when we look into market profile, today's CPR range is again a very narrow CPR, is above yesterday's CPR, so this confirms that the trend is up. Now it all depends where the market is going to open, and that is where all the confusion starts. So now when we see SGX is at 15878, and today's pivot is at 15871, so just 6 point above is what market is showing. And today again is a very narrow pivot, so I'm expecting a big move today in either of the direction. So for any reason, the easiest thing for us is that market opens above 15893. If it opens above 15893, then any dip towards pivot, which is at 15870, should be bought. Technically, any open above pivot, that is 15870, should be bought for a target of 15961 with a very tight stop loss below TC, or if one wants below previous day low, which is at 15835. And if Laraji opens below 15871, then it is sell on rise at 15893 for a target of 15763. So keep a strong eye on where it is opening. If it is opening above 15871, then go up. If it opening below 15872, then it's going down. So sell and rise. And then the third option and easiest option could be to take a 15-minute breakout. So wherever the market opens, if it's going up after 15 minute, take that breakout with 15-minute candle below as a stop loss. And if it going down, then short it with a 15-minute breakout high as a stop loss. So I think that is something which I would prefer to do. Please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade. So now let's see what happened yesterday. So yesterday, my idea was to sell on rice and market at a gap up opening, and then over this particular candle, you see a extreme reversal setup to happen, which is closer to my critical level on the market, and I shorted one lot here. Then the entire day nothing happened, and then again when this fall happened during this green bar, I got exit. So this was another extreme reversal setup which happened, one big red bar and then the reversal where the bottom was tested, and somewhere here I got out. So I had almost around 400 rupees loss, but other than that it was all right. So what's the learning? Learning is nothing. I played well. I had my patience, hold it, kept my stop loss above my blue magical line, and that was sufficient for me to ride the whole day. So have patience and do not increase or decrease the quantity. I hope these discussions are adding value to your trade setup and trading ideas. Have a good trading session. Stay healthy. Wear a mask. Jai Hind.